Want to make sure your Upwork profile is getting noticed by the right clients? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to optimize your Upwork profile for search and increase your chances of landing high-quality gigs. Stick around till the end for a free exclusive offer just for you. To start, the first thing you need to do is focus on your card title. It's the first thing clients see when searching for freelancers. Your title should clearly state your expertise while including keywords that clients are likely to search for. For example, if you're a web designer, a title like Expert Web Designer, specializing in WordPress and e-commerce works way better than just web designer. Be specific and use phrases that clients would type in the search bar. Next, let's talk about your key overview. This section is key for standing out in search results. You need to grab attention within the first few lines. The first sentence should explain what you do and who you do it for, with keywords integrated. For example, I'm a professional web designer with 5 years of experience helping e-commerce businesses grow through custom websites. This way, your profile is optimized for both search and engagement. While you're at it, don't forget about your skills work section. Upwork allows you to list up to 15 skills, so use them wisely. Choose skills that reflect your services and also match what clients are searching for. The more relevant skills you have listed, the more likely your profile will show up in searches. For instance, if you specialize in social media marketing, include specific skills like Facebook ads or Instagram marketing, in addition to broader ones like digital marketing. Now, work history. Make sure your past jobs reflect the keywords you're targeting. If you're a writer and want to attract clients looking for blog posts, make sure your job descriptions include those terms. Even if you've done a range of work, use your portfolio items to focus on the areas you want to be hired for most. Let's not forget about the Fika profile picture and Hihan video intro. Yes, this affects search. Upwork tends to prioritize profiles with a picture, and a clear professional photo can make all the difference. If you want to stand out even more, consider adding a short video introduction. It's another opportunity to use keywords and show your personality, which helps boost your chances of being found by clients. Another important factor for search ranking is your Kochankek's location. Upwork allows you to list your location, and while it doesn't directly affect search rankings, clients often prefer freelancers from specific locations due to time zone compatibility or regional expertise. Make sure your location matches where you're most likely to find clients. Finally, don't forget to optimize your Akibe availability. By setting your profile to show your availability status, you increase the chances of being contacted for relevant projects. Upwork's algorithm sometimes gives preference to freelancers who are actively available. Key takeaway: to optimize your Upwork profile for search, be sure your title, overview, skills, and work history are keyword focused. Use a professional picture or video intro to stand out, and always keep your profile up to date with relevant information. And before I let you go, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, which is available in the description below. This software can help you streamline your process and get your profile ranking faster. In summary, focus on a keyword-optimized title, compelling overview, and relevant skills. And make sure your work history supports your expertise. Always have a professional photo or video and keep your profile updated with your availability and location. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.